Here are question 10 to 12 multiple choice questions on exponential functions. Well, I'd like you to make a note of these questions, answer them, and then move on with the video and see the answers. Well, question number 10 says, minus 3 over 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to, and 4 choices. Question 11, simplify 1 over 5 to the power of 1 over 3 to the power of 3 over 2 to the power of 4 over 3. And question number 12 is, the function f of x equals to a to the power of x, g of x, f of x. Now it should be g of x equals to b to the power of x and h of x equals to c to the power of x. So these functions intersect at a point. Note that a, b and c are not equal, okay? Then which is that point? So it says the function f of x, g of x and h of x intersect at the point, okay? And these are different bases. A, b and c are not same, okay? You have to find which is that point. Okay, now let's go through the solution. Question 10. When we say minus 3 over 2 to the power of minus 3, that minus indicates what? That basically means we have to flip, find the reciprocal of whatever is inside, right? So this is equals to minus 2 over 3 to the power of 3. So we have taken care of the negative side, right? This negative makes it reciprocal. It doesn't really change this minus sign, okay? It has no rule, no way to do all that. It just makes the number reciprocal, so like this. And to the power of 3, so minus 1 to the power of 3 is negative, right? So we get negative, and we get 2 cube, or let me write like this, 2 over 3 cube, right? So do we have a choice like this? No, we don't. So let's expand it. So we get minus 2 cube is 8, and 3 cube is 3 times 3 times 3, 27. 8 over 27, which is choice number D. So we get D as our answer, right? So we can write D here, correct? Next one. Simplify 1 over 5 to the power of all this. Now see, exponent of an exponent of an exponent, they all get multiplied, correct? So it is 1 over 5, and when you multiply these numbers, you get 1 over 3 times 3 over 2 times 4 over 3, right? Which is equals to 1 over 5 to the power of. So 3 and 3 cancels, right? And yeah. And this 2 goes 2 times, so we got 2 over 3 here. Correct? So 2 means square, and this is third root. So do we have an answer here? No. So we actually get 1 over 5 to the power of 2 over 3. So we have an answer close by, but we don't really have any answer. So for this, maybe a typing error. So maybe there's an error here probably, right? So what I will do is that I will change the question. I think there's a typing error here. So I'll make this 4. Okay. Now if I make this 4, in that case, it becomes 3 over 4, and so this and this cancels, and this cancels, and I get 1 over 3. Do you see that? And then in that case, I get 1 over 5 to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, so we'll consider this to be a typing error, right? And once we do that correction, please do that correction, then we get B as our answer. Yeah. Okay, next question. The function f of x is a to the power of x, g of x is b to the power of x, and h of x is c to the power of x. They intersect at a point. You know exponential functions? If they are intersecting at one point, what is that point? You remember, anything to the power of 0 is what? Anything to the power of 0 is 1, right? Therefore, if x is 0, then y has to be 1. So D works for us. So that's what we're trying to say here. anything to the power of 0 is 1, and that's the coordinate. Okay, I hope you get them, and let's move on to the next set of questions.